This is another channel bust video regarding Harrison White and Zander Bird, but mostly towards Harrison White. Sorry this if offends any LGBT people, but if you're part of the LGBT crowd, I would advise if you not watch this and go watch something else. So don't blame me if you get offended by this, but Harrison White, My Little Pony, Gen 5 hater, but secretly likes it, and the Brit kid from Clacton-on-Sea, England, he interacts with a kid also the same age as him, Zander Bird, from Billings, Montana. Those two secretly like Gen 5, but in public they say they hate it, and some rumors have said they may like each other, and as in gay, although on their Facebook profile they said they're straight. Since the LGBT people, mostly the pro-LGBT people, have deemed June Pride Month. For others, it's the start of summer. And of course, some countries where it's all literally summer every single year because it's so hot and 40s degrees Celsius, that kind of weather. You know. Zander Bird and Harrison White shared this, which really raised some questions with some people who counter them. A shirtless version of sort of like human pony horse version of the character Big Macintosh. And I don't know who draws these, but yeah. Apparently someone draws these online, and whoever draws these, they always draw like this most skimpiest, revealing, sometimes naked, sometimes nude drawings of mostly Gen 4 and equestrian girls' characters in lingerie or shirtless or in, woman's underwear. Not that we like to talk about that. It's not appropriate for a kid's show. I can tell you that. And some people have been sharing these across the fan groups, and it's not appropriate for the kids or the general audience. So it's only for they should just make their own rated R group and share it there. But some people are just so stubborn. I told Harrison White and Zander Bird to do that. They refused. I even made my own for explicit content like bloody, gore, murder, for Media Central After Dark. If you can join that group, I got the link down below if you want to join. But you got to be 18 plus, and be careful what you share, because Facebook might do something about it. I mean, I shared the Post Malone some music videos and the weekend some music videos where there's some blood, some killing, and people shooting at each other, and it's not for the general audience. Like that. But after just looking at this again, sorry you have to see that. this really throws the question: did Harrison White and Zander Bird lie about being straight? So not only that they're lying about hating Lyle Pony Gen 5, but they could possibly also lie about. Because in another post, let me try and find it. Okay. I've seen that one. Hold on, let me find it. Kirsten White shared this in a fan group that he made, where he is free to do anything he wants, including post explicit content, because and the rules are set to his expectations, not the general expectations you would expect in a group, because he's an extremist, a liar, cheater, cyberbully, targeter, slanderer, and he could be gay. And the context here. Again, he quotes his rip-off version of Gen 5, which does not contain unique characters at all, and is just a rip-off of Equestria Girls, storylines from Thomas and Friends, the new Thomas the Tank Engine thing that recently came out, like, I think just last year, as whatever company that makes that thing. Not my business to know that, because that's a little kid show. Although I know it's a little kid show, and apparently he likes that. I mean, his YouTube channel says Thomas and EG couples and shifts 19, and there's some videos on his channel that about that. So, did he lie about also his gender as well? Well, what, he is the LGBT, or is he straight? Did he lie about that too? And of course, he still doesn't understand. You can't make a Gen 5 while using Gen 4 humanized version characters of an EG project. That technically does not make it unique, and it does not count, and yeah. It happens for every single TV show and movie franchise entirely. And even the stuff on Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, what was it? Yeah, whatever. Not my business to know. And also Disney Plus. There's unique content that can only be on their own servers. You can't find it anywhere else. So this may show that he is lying about being straight. And enter 2. Just wanted to let you know what Harrison White and Zander Bird really are like. Other than the fact that they are targeters, slanderers, extremists, liars. And they may be gay, but that's not the case. they are still toxic. So don't let his Equestria Girls for Life group or his new group for the We Hate My Little Pony, the Gen 5 group, it lies, or the group to even make off his so-called original version. Don't let that fool you. If I were you, I would want to know like, who he really is like, and that ain't it. And not that he like is saying that he is. He has said he. There was an exchange of comments where they say they like each other. Well, love each other, and it does not mean friendship. It means relationship. Like one person loves another person, and like a couple, that kind of thing. Well, they may have lied about being straight as well.